You've heard of Kirk-Rudy, but did you know what we're really capable of? From feeding almost anything to automating your entire workflow, Kirk-Rudy can do it all. Opening, closing, folding, scoring, feeding bags that most systems can't touch. We've got a machine for that. Label it, apply it, tip it on, precisely and reliably. Need high-speed, high-quality printing? Variable data? Pizza boxes? RFID encoding? Yeah, we do that too. What sets us apart is how it all works together. Modular systems built around your needs. Simple setups or fully integrated solutions. We build it your way. We hear it all the time. I didn't know Kirk-Rudy could do that. Now you do. Let's build something together. Nothing is built like a Kirk-Rudy.